Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S8 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here to the connections. Near the Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher to activate the Wi-Fi on your device, and now you can see the all of available networks that you can choose. For example, I'll go with this one. Here you should enter the password. In my case that's from 1 to 8. I click here once on this eye icon, you can see the password to have no sound mistakes, and then just tap here to connect, and as can you see, our device successfully connected to the network. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here on the Wi-Fi icon again. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first open the notification panel and then click here on the Wi-Fi icon, and then just hold for a while the icon and you'll launch again the Wi-Fi settings, and by the same way you can connect to some network here. And then if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, click here once again on this icon, and that's it. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.